Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make shepherd's pie, which is ground lamb cooked with homemade brown sauce, covered with creamy mashed potato. Let's make the mashed potato first. I prefer to steam my potato. When the water is boiling, cover the steamer, cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the fork easily goes in, meaning it's ready. It's easy to mash the potato in a tray. Transfer the mash to the saucepan, keep the temperature at low heat. Add some unsalted butter, some milk, a little heavy cream. Mix them well, then turn off the heat. Add a little chopped parsley. The mashed potato is done. Let's make the brown sauce. Heat up the saucepan at low heat and melt some butter. Begin to stir-fry some onion. When the onion is caramelized, add a little vegetable oil. Add some carrot. Add some baby bella mushrooms. A little celery. When all the veggies are soft, add some all-purpose flour and mix them well. I'm adding my homemade chicken broth. You can use any market brand unsalted chicken broth. Keep stirring. When it's boiling, add a little tomato puree, 1 bay leaf, chopped parsley. Turn down the temperature to the lowest heat. Cover the pan. Keep simmering for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the bay leaf. Add the beaten egg. For seasoning, add a little salt and black pepper. Turn off the heat. The brown sauce is done. Prepare the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. While waiting for the oven, heat up the fry pan at medium heat. Add some vegetable oil. Stir-fry some ground lamb. After the color changed, add some red cooking wine, a little Worcestershire sauce. Add the brown sauce we just made. Mix them well before turn off the heat. Transfer the pie filling to my baking dish. Add the mashed potato over the ground lamb. Smooth the top. Then score the top by using a fork. Sprinkle some cheese before the oven. I will bake the pie for 25 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. After 25 minutes, let's check the pie. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. My shepherd's pie cost me $15. I'm going to enjoy my shepherd's pie. Thanks for watching my video.